The smartest and fastest route to business success in 2023, and in particular if your goal is 10,000 plus per month in your business. Disclaimer, these are not new ideas, and I'm going to surprise you as well. This is not about implementing the latest strategy of 2023. It is something so simple yet so profound, people do not really still understand the power of what I'm going to discuss with you in this video. So let's not wait any longer, let's jump into the video. My name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. And also I offer a free listing to all online coaches in the Soul Central directory. The directory goes out once a month to over 10,000 intuitives, soul searchers, seekers and manifestors. So if you feel that is the right audience for you, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and also in the comments box below say Soul Central directory and I'll send you over the right information. Okay, so the smartest and fastest way to business success in 2023 is number one, meditation. Now this video is not going to be here me telling you should meditate. I mean, obviously you have full control over your life, over your business, and it's entirely up to you. However, I've always seen business as a reflection of what's going on within. So I've been in business now since 2012 and I've had many highs and many lows. So the first time I was personally making £10,000 plus per month was when I did my offline businesses in Shanghai, China, when I had my indoor cycling studios. I've had 4 in my time, 2 in China and 2 here in Leeds in the UK. And yes, things were going really, really well, really great at the time. However, God, I was burning myself out and I ended up falling into anxiety and bouts of depression, which lasted about 4 or 5 years because I was just struggling to manage a business and all the stresses that came, which I thought were stresses at the time, running a business, and it just burnt me down into the ground. So what saved me from experiencing debilitating depression, I think the longest round of depression I had was like being in bed for like 10 days, was meditation. And I didn't use any antidepressants, I didn't use any other crutch apart from just real natural resources. And in fact at the time I launched my my program From Burnout to Breakthrough, and meditation was the key component out of the 4. It was cardio, strength, balance and good nutrition, and meditation came under my 3rd pillar of balance. Meditation is so powerful because it just gets you to really understand what's going on upstairs. And the analogy I always like to use is every single week you would clear out your main bin of rubbish. And your head, let's just say, is a bin. With every love and respect to your lovely, beautiful head and brain and mind. It's a bin. And if you're not careful with where you put your bin will collect all the rubbish that's going on around you. The news, the media, friends and family, gossiping, let's say, negativity, whatever it is. We are all living in fear as a collective consciousness on the planet. I'm sure you are not one of the collective consciousness people. However, we are where we are. And it's always good just to protect yourself from all that stuff that's going on outside away from your inner world. So imagine a bin, you are collecting all that rubbish and you're not emptying the bin. The bin's going to get heavy, the bin is going to get smelly, the bin is going to get dirty, and you are just going to carry all this stench around with you, okay? Now, meditation is the bin collection people. They are going to come round every week like they do, God bless them, and they empty the bins out. And that's what you need to do. Meditation is you sitting down with yourself between 5-10 minutes a day at the very least, if you can, and you are emptying your mind of the thoughts that don't belong there anymore. The chuck away thoughts, the throwaway thoughts that just don't even belong to you, that you've maybe heard from somewhere and it's ingrained in you. Like, meditation is just for you to take a few moments in your day to become aware of what's going on inside, and the ones that you don't want, you can just obviously be aware of them, see them, witness them, and then just let them move on, let them melt away. So that is meditation. Again, it's not groundbreaking stuff. We've all heard of meditation, but my question is, Are you meditating? And if you are, what are your results when meditating? Now, the second strategy to fast business success in 2023, and again, it's not groundbreaking stuff here, is to exercise. Now, most people would normally exercise. I do tend to find that people that do business are usually quite health conscious and they do look after themselves. But are you exercising every day? And I'm not saying you hit the gym every single day, but it's that whole practice of like, what are you doing for yourself every single day? If you're meditating 10, 15 minutes plus every day, that is great. But I always suggest at least a power hour for yourself every single day. And you can fill your power hour for yourself every single day with a form of half an hour exercising. Now, it could be that you want to go out for a walk, or it could be that you want to do yoga, and obviously there's loads of videos on YouTube to do yoga, or it could be that you do hit the gym on that particular day. However, I would suggest, and I always do suggest to my clients, an hour every day, not only for your power hour marketing, but for your power hour self-care, because when you have your energy levels high, because basically you raising your vibration, okay? And when you are at a high vibe, you're going to feel motivated in your business to do the things that are needed and required in order to push your business forward. If you're operating at a low energy vibration, then you're not going to feel motivated to do the things that are needed in your business in order to learn about the things that are needed for your business, in order for you to have the right conversations and attract the right people, because it is all energy at the end of the day. And if you're not too keen on energy work, then I just feel like wherever you are in your business journey, you end up gravitating towards energy work in the long run. Because if you are, and it's been my experience in the past, if you've just continued on to invest into another strategy, organic paid strategy I'm talking about, like really tangible 3D stuff, and you've spent thousands over the years, and I mean like thousands, 20, 30 grand plus on paid, advertising techniques, strategies, and it still hasn't worked. It still hasn't brought back all the money that you've put out there. What it basically is you need to go back inward and play this game. These are the strategies I'm talking about. It's just not about 3D marketing, advertising techniques. It's about you time techniques. It's about you being with yourself for that at least 1 hour every single day, through meditation, through exercising, through just really checking in with yourself. And you realize if you were to do this for like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. I'm just doing a 90-day plus yoga every day challenge on myself. I'm not motivated by anything else apart from myself. And it's just been an amazing journey. And I've done this before a few years ago to get myself out of depression. So it really helped me get out of depression, doing the good nutrition, the meditation, the exercise, and just to shut myself off from negativity. And I'm doing it again for other reasons now. I'm clearly not depressed anymore, but I've learned a lot from that phase, and now I implement it. I have these little breaks in my business where I don't do too much on the 3D stuff, the strategies, but I just concentrate on myself alone, and then it just has explosive results in my business because I'm looking after myself more so. And the third one is I really have pretty much touched upon this already. I've sprinkled it along in this video without even realizing, but I keep mentioning negativity. If you are heavily distracted, then that is something you need to manhandle. Okay, you need to pull your sleeves up and you just need to get in there and sort out that distraction. Now, I'm going to be out there and bold by saying it could be a relationship, it could be a family setup, it could be a family member in particular, it could be a part-time job that you have, it could be a full-time job that you have. What distraction do you have in your life right now which doesn't allow you to have room for yourself and your business? Because if you're prioritizing your business, yourself, making money, making a difference in the world, then other distractions will just weigh you down. So it's all about, I think, just making space in your life in order to bring in those big business goals that you have, because I know you have them. These are my clients that I have. We all have big goals. And if you're worried about something, bills or a relationship or something going on that you can't quite put your finger on, you can't quite control, or you can't quite figure out, whatever it is, you might just need to walk away from it. Again, I don't know your situation, everyone is different. However, you'll realise after you've dealt with that, whether you just need to cut it off or get someone else to handle that, or you just need to process it in a different way and just say, you know what, I just can't figure this out and I just, have to walk away from it. Then you'll realise that space is opened up for growth, okay? Because the bigger your goals, the bigger the requirement of space in your life to bring it in, okay? And it is a process of bringing things into your business. And that is it. You need to just cut away all the distractions that you feel that you have, that are not serving you well, that is not complementing you along your journey. And you will then start seeing the results come through. So there we are. Just to recap, number 1 is to meditate every single day. I'm not here telling you what to do, but I'm telling you, just try it. If you've never done it before, just try it. Do it for at least 30 days, see what you think, and then come back to me. Number 2 is exercise. If you are exercising every week, fantastic, keep that going. But if you can just do 30 minutes a day to incorporate it into a power hour every day, just for yourself, just so you can check in with you, check with your thoughts, check with how you feel and your energy levels. It's all about raising your vibration. You will find that you will have a better business results coming through when you do this.